You may have heard about the term shingles, but how much do you know about it? Some people say that shingles is the adult version of chicken pox, but is that so? All right, let's walk through the streets of central London as we talk a bit about shingles. Well, what is it? Shingles is a painful condition caused by the same virus that causes chicken pox. So, what does that tell you? It tells you that if you have had chicken pox, then at some point you could develop shingles. Although anybody can develop shingles, it is more common in the elderly people. So you have to be aware of that. Now, what are the symptoms of shingles? There's a fever, headache, chills, sensitivity to light. There is also painful, blotchy rash on one side of your body. So, shingles mainly affect the skin, but it can sometimes affect your eyes too. So if you have that, some people will ask, is it contagious? Well, shingles have different stages. So at the stage before you start seeing those blotchy, watery bumps, it is not contagious. But as soon as the bumps, similar to chicken pox, when the bumps start getting coming out, when they are wet and so forth, then you need to stay away from everybody because at that point it is contagious. When the bump, when all those rashes start to dry up, it is no longer contagious. A lot of people will be fine by just resting. But for those who, in the initial stages, when you say that you catch it early, then medication from the doctor can help to speed up the recovery. Some people will want to take antiviral drugs as well to reduce the symptoms or to minimize the nerve damage. Bed rest, of course, can help it, but mainly, there's topical agents as well as steroids, antidepressants, etc. But you have to be careful. It's best recommended. Just allow it to run its course. If you're living in the UK, if you have a compromised immune system, then you can get the vaccine. However, from the age of 65, anybody, all adults, are able to get the vaccine for free. So these are some of the things to know about shingles. And just to say it can affect anybody, but the elderly mainly are the people that you must take extra care. All right, so that's what you need to know about shingles in a nutshell. Oh, by the way, have you subscribed to the channel? Don't forget, man, to like it, subscribe as well, share, my friend.